Good morning, students. In this lecture, we are going to study the topic 2.6 parametric differentiation. This topic is a self-study topic. So, question number one comes: what is the parametric equation? Parametric equations if there is a function x is equal to twice of t plus 1 minus 5. Clear? So if two dependent variable x and y, if two variable x and y are connected with third variable that we call independent variable, or here we call t as a parameter. We call a parameter. So then the equation, what is this equation? X. Why? Because x is a function of t, because you can see there is value of x in terms of t. So xt is equal to twice of t plus 1. And similarly, y is a function of t. So yt is equal to t power 2 minus 1. So these equations are called parametric equations. Here, this is example number 1. Similar example you can write in terms of sin t. Say xt is equal to say sin t plus 1, and say yt is equal to, let's say, 2 minus cosine 5t. Clear? Like this type of equations. Third, you can take any another example. Xt is equal to, let's say, sine 5t plus t minus 1, means little more difficult function. Yt is equal to, let's say, 2 minus cosine 3t plus t power 2. So these type of functions are called parametric equations. These type of equations, xt, yt, where what is x and y? X and y are the dependent variable. Why we are calling dependent variable? Because these values are depend on parameter t. So that's why these values are called, x and y are called dependent variable. So dependent variable and t is called the parameter. Okay. So this type of function we can do it. So question is how to calculate the derivative. So if there is a function xt, there is a function yt, and you want to calculate the value of dy by dx. So we learn in chain rule. That is what we can write it. We can include dy by dt into dt by dx. Clear? So this is using chain rule we can write, where x means is a function of t and something like that. Clear? Similarly, now if you want to write it in the Taksim form, so we can write it dy by dt upon dx by dt. Clear? This is called what? Y prime t, and this is what called x prime t. So if you want to calculate the value of dy by dx, clear, what is dy by dx? The slope. Clear? So slope is equal to y prime t upon x prime t. And we can solve this for any given problem. Like, say, for example, if we want to solve one question here, let us take any one question from the exercise. So we will take some question from the exercise. Let us say question number 1. What is the question? For the following exercises, each set of parametric equation represent a line. Without eliminating the parameter, find the slope of each line t. So we need to find the slope. So what is the question? Question number 1, we are taking x of xt is equal to 3t minus 5, and y of t is equal to, let's say, twice of t square minus 1. Like this is the equation. Clear? Parametric equations. Now what we need to find? We need to find dy by dx. How to find dy by dx? you need to write y prime t here and you need to write x prime t here. So how to calculate x prime t? So you need to find the differential of x with respect to t. Clear? So what is the derivative here? The derivative 3, and what is the derivative of t? 1 minus constant. Derivative of constant is 0. 3 into 1 is 3. Now, if you want to calculate the value of y prime t, what do you mean by y prime t? dy by dt. Clear? So now calculate the derivative. 2, what is the derivative of t power 2? T power 2. T power 2 is twice of t. Minus derivative of 1 constant is 0. So what is the answer? Answer is 4t. Put the values here. So what is the answer? 4t divide 3. So this is dy by dx in terms of t. We can calculate directly. Clear? So this is how. Let us say one more question we can take of say some trigonometric function 2 sine t plus 5, and let us say yt is equal to, let's say, 2 minus 2 cosine t. This is the trigonometric functions, means parametric equation in form of trigonometric functions. So how to calculate? It is a dy by dx. It is, what is the canon? Y prime t upon x prime t. So simple. What is x prime t? 2. What is the derivative of sine t? Derivative of sine t is cosine t. And what is the derivative of 5? 0. So what is the answer? 2 cosine t. Clear? What is the derivative of yt? It is 2 is 0 minus 2. What is the derivative of cosine t? It is minus sine t. So minus minus plus, it is 2 sine t. Put the values here. Twice of cosine t upon twice of sine t. 2 cancel. Cosine t upon sine t is 40 plus. So this is very easy technique to find the derivative of parametric functions. Now question, the general question that we are solving every day. What is the question? Question here is how to find the tangent line. Tangent line means what? Tangent line, if you remember, it is same. Y is equal to dy by dx x minus a gamma f a. Same. This tangent line, this is the tangent line we are studying almost, because it is 2.6. So we study tangent line in 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5. Now we are studying this topic again in 2.6. So canon is same. A is same. FA is same. Only what we need to find? We need to find the dy by dx. What is dy by dx? Dy by dx is slope, if you remember. So we need to find the slope here and then find the answer for this. So let us solve one question here. Okay, so let us take little difficult question. So we are choosing question number 4. Okay, so what is question number 4? It is, we are going to find the, what we are going to find? We are going to find the tangent line. Equation of tangent line. What is the equation of tangent line? Tangent line is dy by dx x minus a gamma fa. This is the equation. Okay, and what is the question? Question is, if xt is equal to t gamma 1 upon t and yt is equal to t minus 1 upon t. So where we need to find? We need to find at at t is equal to 1, you need to find the equation of tangent line. So how to find? It is very easy. It is not difficult. What we need to find? We need to find here what? First we need to find dy by dx. Okay. So dy by dx you need to find. So what will do? What is the canon for dy by dx? The canon for dy by dx is dy by dx. It is equal to y prime t upon x prime t. X prime t. Okay. So calculate how we calculate x prime t is equal to, what is the derivative of t? It is 1. What is the derivative of 1 upon t? Clear? So how we can calculate? We can shift it to upside. So it will be minus 1 t power minus 1 minus 1. So if you simplify this, what it will be? It will be 1 minus 1 upon t power 2. This is the derivative of x with respect to t. And if you calculate the derivative of y dash t, so t is 1 minus. Same, you can shift it to upside t power minus 1. So what it will be? It will be minus 1 t power minus 1 minus 1. So it will be 1 plus t 1 upon t power. This is the derivative. Put these values here. 1 minus 1 upon t power 2 upon 1 plus 1 upon t power 2. Clear? But what we need to find? We need to find this value of dy by dx at t is equal to 1. So the value of dy by dx at t is equal to 1. So what is this? It is 1 minus 1 upon 1 square upon 1 plus 1 upon 1 square. So 1 upon 1 square is 1. So it is 1 minus 1 and it is 1 plus 1. So this is 0 upon 2. So 0. So what is the slope here? Slope here is 0. Now we need to put the value of these functions. So if you will put, so y, so what is this? Y is equal to, this is 0 now. Slope is 0. X minus. What is the value of a? The value of a is 1. Jama. The value of function. Value of function. How to define the function? The function means the derivative y. Clear? So if you will put here, it is also what? 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1, it is 0. So it is 0, 0. So what is the equation? The equation is y is equal to 0. Clear? So this is means how we calculate the equation of tangent line. So it is very simple. What you need to do? You need to do a simple thing. First, calculate dy by dx at the given value and put all values in equation for tangent line. Then you will get the equation of tangent. Okay. So this is how we calculate the equation of tangent line. By chance for this it is coming 0, otherwise there is no problem. Okay, now what is this? This is the question. For the following exercises, find d2y by dx square. Okay, so d2y by dx square, the rule is a little different. So please remember this kanun for finding d2y by dx square. This is the kanun for second derivative. How to find the second derivative? It is like, say, d2y by dx square is equal to what? D by dt, and here dy by dx. Clear? This is, and upon dx upon dt. This is the kanun for second derivative. Like, say, if we choose some function here. Clear? So let us say, yes, we will solve question number 3, t e to the power 2t. So what is the question? Question is xt is equal to e to the power minus t, and yt is equal to t e to the power t, I think. Yes, this is the same function. No, e to the power 2t. Okay, we need to find the second derivative of this one. So how to calculate the second derivative? First, we need to, if you see the kanun, dy by dx is the first step. So find the first step means what you need to find? You need to find dy by dx. Dy by dx means you need to find the y prime t and upon x prime t. So directly we will calculate here. Now you are expert. So first y prime t we will find here. So derivative of first t, derivative of t is 1. Second function same. Jama, because it is a two function. T is separate function, e to the power 2t. So we will use product rule. Now t is same. Now find the derivative of e to the power 2t. So what it will be? It will be e to the power 2t, and the derivative of 2t. Derivative of 2t is 2. Now find the derivative of xt, x prime t. So answer is same, e to the power minus t, but you need to find the derivative of minus t also. Minus t is minus 1. So actually what is the answer? E to the power 2t, Jama, 2 e to the power, no, 2t e to the power 2t upon minus e to the power minus t. This is the means answer. Clear? Now, if you want to shift, you can shift it upside. So it will become e to the power t. If you will shift this downside to upside, so what it will be? E to the power t. Clear? E to the power t. And you can see e to the power 2t, e to the power 2t. This you can take outside, e to the power 2t. So what remaining? 1 plus e to the power 1 plus 2t. Okay, but there is one negative also, so this negative will come here. So what it will be? E to the power minus t and 2t. E to the power how much? It is 3t and 1 plus t. So this is the value of dy by dx. Okay, now put this value here. So d by dt minus e to the power 3t 1 plus t upon the value of dx by dt. Dx by dt means the value of x prime t. It is minus e to the power minus. Now you need to differentiate. This minus minus cancel. Okay. Now you need to differentiate the numerator with respect to t. So there are two functions again. So first differential e to the power 3t. So 3 e to the power 3t. First we will calculate e to the power 3t, same. Then 3t is 3. 1 plus t is same. Okay. Now e to the power 3t is same. And what is the derivative of 1 plus t? 0 plus 1. And upon e to the power minus t, no change. Now shift e to the power minus t upside. So what it will be? 3 e to the power 3t and minus t will change into plus t. 3t plus 1t is 4t. Okay. Now clear. Now here how much? 1 plus t remaining. And here how much? 1 remaining. Because from 1 will come 3t out. No. There is some problem. I write it wrongly. Okay, no problem. First we will write 3 e to the power 3t, 1 plus t, and plus e to the power 3t upon e to the power minus t. Now e to the power 3t is out, e to the power 3t is out, and e to the power minus t, so it will be e to the power 4t. 3, 1 plus t plus 1. So if you will simplify e to the power 40 and 3t plus 3 into 1, 3 plus 1, 4. So my friends, this is the answer. This is the second derivative. This is what is this? This is d2y by dx square. This value d2y by dx square. So how to calculate? First you need to find the dy by dx, and then you need to put the value in the Kanun here. Then you will get the second derivative. Okay, so this is how you can solve all the questions here. Here, by chance, in this question, the value of t is given. So at the end, first solve dy, find dy by dx, and then put t is equal to 2 into the given problem. So like this, you can solve all the questions. Then chapter 3 is there. So this is the self-study topic. If you have any problem in this, please let me know, and then we will discuss more questions. Okay, thank you.